The default imaging mode will be displayed on startup of the HeartWorks program. TTE imaging can only be performed with a connected mannequin. TEE imaging can be performed with the mannequin connected or unconnected, and can be selected by clicking on the TEE button in the toolbar at the top of the screen. When the ultrasound probe is moved, a real-time ultrasound image is displayed in the ultrasound window. The depth of field can be altered by clicking on the depth up and down buttons in the ultrasound control console. The image can be inverted using the settings menu. Measurements can be made by freezing the ultrasound image and scrubbing the timeline across the EKG to the desired point. Selection of the caliper button will allow linear measurements to be made. With the cursor positioned on the image, a left mouse click will start and then end the measurement to be made. Up to 5 measurements can be made at one time. Clicking on the caliper button will remove these measurements from the screen. An area can be measured by clicking on the trace button, positioning the cursor on the image to start the trace, and a single left mouse button click to commence tracing. The mouse is moved to trace around the area to be measured, followed by a left mouse click to end the trace. The software will join the start and end points of the trace and will display the measured area. Up to 3 area measurements can be made. Clicking on the trace button will remove these measurements from the screen, and clicking on the freeze button will reanimate the heart.